Hold up. All right, I want you to lead him out. Lead him that way. Lead him that way, okay?
My Instagram is its_me_YENNY, Yenny.
And what about you?
So it is Taya Days, TEAYADAZE.
What makes you like a guy? What makes you look at a guy, first of all?
I think for me, like a nice smile.
A nice smile.
If you got busted teeth, I don't think.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
it's a
So you
problem.
gotta go to the dentist.
Gotta go to the dentist.
Okay.
Well, I'm different. I don't really look for guys. I think it's if he gets my attention some way, somehow. It doesn't really matter how you look like. It doesn't really matter how much money you got, because I've met some really whack big money ballers. So it really just depends on your energy, actually. That's what I think is the energy.
Energy. Anybody that looks at anybody, like the very first thing you see is how they look. So you're saying looks don't play a factor at all?
At all.
At all?
At all.
So if the nigga's butt ugly, you still gonna talk to him?
No, I'm not gonna talk to him. He's gonna talk to me, and I'm gonna make sure that if I want to talk to him, that I will.
Okay,
if he's smart and he says something smart, then you got my attention, you know?
And what is smart? What is this?
Something that you could provide, or something that I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Something that could help me in my life.
Okay. What do you say about that? Do you think looks matter more? Like it does? They have to look somewhat good, right?
Yeah, no. To me, it definitely does matter, and
Okay.
I'm not trying to sound shallow, but you know, even if you like someone's character or their personality, I feel in the long run, the way that they appear and the way that you perceive them is gonna make a huge difference on how well that relationship lasts.
I mean, I'm not saying that if if he got some sandals in the club. I mean,
okay, you gotta look good. You gotta look.
You have to have style, obviously.
Okay.
But I've met some. I mean, I'm talking about real big money ballers. These are real. These are without the quotation mark.
Okay.
And they usually don't dress with robe. They don't really. They don't show out. They dress normal because they know that they're worth already something. They don't need to show anything.
So you think people that like show out with how they dress, they're more insecure?
Yes. 1,000%.
I agree. Actually, I agree.
Well, it doesn't matter if a nigga's ugly. If he approaches you, he has the confidence and like you peep, he has good air aura.
Yes.
You're gonna talk to him. Doesn't matter what.
1,000%. Yes.
Okay. Why don't relationships last? Like, what makes you say, okay, I don't f this nigga no more?
I'm very big on principle and respect.
Okay.
And you don't even necessarily have to be like a cheater, but if you can't respect me and who I am as a person, then it's never gonna last.
So respect's a good thing.
Very big.
And that's just with anything. It's just like if you certain things, like not telling you certain things, it's just like disrespectful. It's just stuff like that.
I don't even mean like being sneaky or anything like that. If you can't like respect the way you talk to me, how you view me, how you present yourself around me, then like all the sorts of things like that, then I don't really, it's not gonna last.
What about you?
I think one of the biggest reasons why relationships don't last, and I'm talking about real relationships, is because of communication.
Okay.
Obviously, if you're with somebody, they've already done what they needed to do to sauce you up, but most of the time, like she said, there are things that you leave out, and why hide? If that person already likes you and already likes you on that kind of level, they're gonna accept whatever comes in your past, because you guys started from, it's a past. You didn't do anything during the relationship, so I think it's communication for me.
What kind of guy do you like? What kind of guy do you think you go after?
Honestly, I'm a real sucker for a comedian.
A comedian. Okay. What about you?
Yeah, I like funny.
Okay, funny niggas. So you gotta be funny. Why is being funny such like why does that work?
Because people take life too serious, and laughing is good for you. Laughing is good for the world. You could be having the worst fight, and if you say something hilarious, you drop it all. You know what I'm saying? So being funny, like you can't. Life is always gonna be it's never gonna be perfect. So I feel like someone that could understand that, you have to enjoy every moment is wonderful.
So someone's like more lighthearted, just like kind of just takes it one day at a time.
Yes.
Okay, doesn't take it too serious. What about you? Same thing?
Yeah, same thing.
Same thing? So it has to be funny and you be ugly. Now, all the guys you've been with, have they matched what you just said?
On some levels, on some certain characteristics, yes. Some guys will be one thing, but then lack another thing. Okay. So I think it's they've definitely not all like met all that. I've been with a guy that was very intellectual, very smart, but he wasn't that funny. So I got bored and I left.
don't have like sometimes you can overlook certain qualities like in a person because they have more in a different area.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
But then I feel like if those are the qualities that I'm actually truly looking for, that something that I overlook now is gonna become a problem.
Okay.
Later. So,
It gets old, and you start to see what's actually underneath.
Nighttime. Why you always in my line in the nighttime? Shawty says she wanna vibe in the nighttime. Funny how you always in my line at the right time. All the demons come alive in the nighttime. All my demons finna ride in the nighttime. Shawty says she wanna die in the nighttime. Funny cause I'm on demon time, it's the right time.
I was gonna ask you, because you're kind of attractive guy, you know.
Okay.
What do you like in a girl?
What I like in a girl is physically or like, what do you mean?
Yeah, physically, sure.
I like long hair. I like Latinas.
Oh, I have long hair.
I like Latinas.
Oh, I'm Latina too.
I like a girl that has attitude, but not too much attitude.
I have that too.
Okay. And I like a girl that's independent. Doesn't depend on me. That's
Why? Is her name Yenny?
Is her name Yanni?
You're just kidding. If you're watching this, it's only for entertainment.
That's it. It's for the two.
I just want to know, do you think I'm pretty?
Of course.
Does this make you feel uncomfortable? No? Not have a girlfriend at home?
I do, but
Oh! You gonna replace her with me? No?
I can't answer that.
Not tempting a little bit?
Hmm?
Not tempting, not even a little bit?
Mm-hmm. I can't answer that.
Oh no, he's loyal. We got a loyal one over here. I like that.
Honestly, what do you guys think like of these models I pick up? Do I not pick good models? I pick good models, right? I feel like okay, 1 out of 10, I'm gonna give you like a 7, and then I feel like
Why 7? Why 7?
a 7?
That's an average. That's a C right there.
That was both. That was both.
That was low. But why 7?
I can't have an opinion.
I respect your opinion.
Okay, I can't have an opinion. And I feel like, I don't know, you kind of look better in the pictures. I'm not gonna lie.
Are you jealous? Why are you disrespecting
No.
me?
I just
I'm not a 7.
no.
You're
Blah. I'm not.
more like a 1.
Oh, I'm a 1. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
All right, Venezuela. Yeah. Put me in his place, Venezuela.
Look, I like 10. You're like 3.
A 3? What are you doing?
I appreciate you. No, we live. They walked away. They say I'm so uncomfortable, bro. That was lit. Let me see what they say. Hey. What's wrong with y'all, bro? No. It's lit. It was a prank. I wanted to see what you guys' reactions were.
I knew. I was like, it can't be real.
It can't be real.
Yo, their faces
Yeah.
when you said 7.
Oh yeah, they were like,
Yo,
whoa.
you should have said 4.
I should have said 4. I should have said lower.
Yeah, you should have.
Yeah,
No, but I'm saying that would have, yo.
You're right. You're right.
Guys.
Nah, cause they know I'm not that crazy.
Yeah, no.
No.
Waited a free. I tell that bitch that it's sober. I caught the corona, bitch. Keep the social distancing. Cause I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Cause I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. I only come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. I only come alive in the nighttime. Yeah.
I heard you telling her that she was like a 5 or something.
No, that was a prank. Okay.
I was talking about, this guy's a savage. Fuck up pays models and then tells them they're a 5. That was so disrespectful.
Alright, we ready?
I want to be in a YouTube video. Can I be in a YouTube video?
Alright, let's go.
Oh, okay. Nah, man. Y'all niggas ain't giving me no clout. Y'all better shout me out.
Juwan, you the cameraman. They gotta go on Juwan Chapman to hear his